Hey, welcome to What We Thought. I am Kevin, and if you've been following the channel, you've seen this backyard, you've seen our little water feature pond right there, and our garden boxes, but what you haven't seen yet is our front yard. Yeah, we were working like crazy before this hot summer came, trying to get everything we could done before it got too hot. So let's go out front and I'll show you what we did up there. Okay, so I'm out front, and before I show you the front yard, let me just show you this little clip here and show you that we ended up putting a river rock river in the front yard, and we're going to show you how we did that, and then I'll be back. All right, before we start, here's what the house looked like many years ago. This is what it looked like the previous owners, and then they painted it, and you know, the lawn's dead, and then it grew weeds, and then we got rid of the weeds, and we're going to lay gravel down for some xeriscape. And this is what the house looked like with the xeriscape before we started doing this. So the first thing I did is I used our garden hose, and we laid it out in the shape of the river that we wanted it in. And then I had to move all the gravel to the side down to the plastic liner underneath, and moved it side to side. So we didn't dig down, we just moved the rocks over, and then you'll see in a little bit how we stack the rocks. But that was the first step, getting the rocks moved out of the way. So I'll let you just watch through here and all the work it took. It took us only 3 hours to get this thing done, start to finish. And hey, I hope you enjoy this. Okay, as I'm watching this back, I gotta tell you, I'm not doing all the work. Elizabeth is in the back of the truck unloading and moving the rocks from the front part of the truck to the back part of the truck so that we will load up the wheelbarrow and bring the stones out to the front. But she was a absolute tremendous help. But like I said, this does look like I'm doing it all. Okay, now I gotta confess to you, to get the idea for this front yard, we did use ChatGPT. We took a picture of our front yard, and it gave us this image. Now we don't, it didn't come out exactly like that, but it sure gave us the idea of what to do and how to set it up. And let me just show you where we're at right now. Okay, so here's our river rock river, and that is our tree with the flowers that are all blooming. What we're going to be doing right here is we're going to be adding that grass that's in that image around here. We haven't done it yet. We'll come back, show you how we did it and what it looks like when it's finished. But yeah, we've added all of these flowers here, and all these, the brown-eyed Susans and the rose bushes, and yeah. And then we got this over here. It's not quite finished yet. Everything's a work in progress around here. So anyway, that's the front yard. We did all that work in the backyard, and we did all this work out here in the front yard. And this was our river rock river, from just the idea of having ChatGPT kind of lay it out and what it could look like. And that's what we came up with. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll leave you at that. Okay, so what did you think about that? That's the front yard with the help of ChatGPT. Now, you know, we took a picture of the front of the house and everything, and we asked ChatGPT to give us different colors of what the house would look like if we had different paint schemes and everything. It's a pretty cool little tool. A lot of people use it. Sometimes you have to wait for your image to come back, but they do get it back to you. We had 3 or 4 different ideas for that front yard. The picture that I showed you is the one that we went with. We do have some artificial grass again, and you know, to put out front. We'll try to remember to video it at least through the Ring camera of what we're doing and how we're setting it up, and we'll be back with that video, and then we'll show you the finished product. But yeah, we've been working hard. It's just so hot right now. We got to take a break. Everything we do now is done early in the morning before it gets too hot. So anyway, thanks for checking this out. I'm Kevin. Elizabeth will be back soon. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and join us on our journey. I hope you guys have a great day.